So I want to provide a little more context on my half wig, right? So a lot of the girls are saying, hey, my wig does not look anything like the video that I saw the owner post. I totally understand. And I generally put the information in the caption, but I understand that sometimes people may miss that, right? And the caption can be a lot to read. I totally understand. However, my wig, I have been wearing this wig since earlier this year around March. And when I first started wearing it, the curl pattern was a lot tighter than this. You can see that right here. Now, over time, I've straightened it. Of course, you can see I've colored it. This wig has been through it, and the more I press it, the looser the curl pattern has gotten. And this is pretty much what it looks like now. And that is why it does not look like what is on the website. But when you go to the site, the images that you see there is the exact wig that you would be getting, which is the wig started like that. Now, of course, I've cut layers into it when I first started wearing it. And about a month ago, I cut it into this bob. So initially, it started out at 16-inch. And I just want to switch it up. Like, I'm always switching it up. So now I have this bob, and I'm likely going to cut it even shorter. Like, this wig has taken me through a whole lot. It has been a complete lifesaver, especially for my lifestyle, because I work out a whole lot now, and I just don't want to be bothered with my hair. And then being that I'm currently in a phase of trying to grow my hair back and get it back healthy, because it recently came out, not recently, actually it's been about 2 years, but I finally got it to a point where it's actually thickening up. But with like postpartum hair loss, medication, stress, y'all know life be lifing. That is why my hair came out. But being able to keep it covered, I just keep it braided under here. I treat it often. I just put my wig on. This wig has truly changed my life, y'all, because I am all for convenience, especially being a mom of 2. They keep me busy, the business keeps me busy, and I just really don't have time to worry about my hair. So this wig has truly been a lifesaver, but I wanted to come and tell you that just because I understand that, you know, you might see my videos and you're like, oh, she says she's wearing the deep curly half wig. Well, I am. It's just an old one that has been through it. So I just wanted to give you more context on why my wig looks like this, but at least you know that after your wig has been through all that you will put it through, because y'all know how we do with our hair sometimes, that it is a good quality wig, and you can expect to have this for a really long time. And let me tell y'all, I wear this wig almost every day. From time to time, I will put on my kinky straight wig, but this one right here has been saving my life, okay? But this is 100% virgin human hair. As you can see, you can color it. You can wear it straight. You can wear it curly. And then when you wash it again, the curls will revert back. You could do so much with it. So I truly believe that you are going to love your half wig, right? I understand that it might, you know, take a little bit of getting some learning how to work with it. But that's why I wanted to provide you with videos on how to straighten it, how to wash it, how to trim it, and then maybe even next I'll show you how to color it. So thank you again for watching this. I hope this video was helpful, and just let us know if you have any questions. Just send us an email at customersupport@gosleek.com, and I truly appreciate your support.